In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your power liftgate settings in your Hyundai SUV. From our home screen, we're going to press Setup, Vehicle, Door, and then we're going to scroll down a little bit to where we see Power Liftgate. And where we see Power Liftgate, that's the first of about 4 different things that you can do to customize your power liftgate. The first one, and it's checked, the power liftgate button can be used to automatically open and close the liftgate. That's what I recommend having checked all the time. You can also adjust the speed of the power liftgate. Fast is checked right now, and normal is also available. I recommend fast. You can also change the power liftgate opening height in the event that you have a restricted area that you are opening your power liftgate, if it's a shorter ceiling, or if you have a hard time reaching the button on the bottom of the power liftgate once it is open. You can do level 3, 2, and 1. I don't know why you would want to do 1, but you can also do user height setting. Press the close button for 3 seconds at the proper height of the liftgate, and that's the button on the bottom lip of the liftgate whenever it's open. I like full open, because even if you can't reach it, if it's at its full height, you can always use your key or the button inside the Hyundai in front of your left knee in order to close it in the event you can't reach it. So that gives you full access. Using the back arrow, you can also do smart liftgate. This is really nice. It opens the liftgate automatically when you approach the liftgate with the smart key. So if you have the smart key on your person, in your pocket, or in a purse, you can approach the rear of the SUV and it will automatically open the liftgate. Now that takes a minute. I mean, it's pretty slow, but it does work. It works pretty well. So these are your settings for your power liftgate: opening, closing, customizing. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope this helps you enjoy your ride.